Listen, if you're tired of warm, filtered water that barely quenches your thirst, you've got to check this out. This is the Novete reverse osmosis water filter, a countertop powerhouse that delivers ice-cold, purified water anytime you need it. Seriously, you can get water down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether it's a scorching hot day, a long workout, or just daily hydration, you're covered. It uses advanced 8-stage RO plus UV technology, which removes 98.91 total dissolved solids. That means PFAS, heavy metals, chlorine, heavy odors, gone. And it's NSF ANSI 42 and 58 certified, SGS tested, EPA compliant, and eco-friendly. So you're not just drinking clean water, you're doing it responsibly. Worried about complicated installations? Don't be. Just plug it in, fill it up, and you're ready. No drilling, no plumbing, no stress. Simply pull the tank up and out, and you're good to go. The lid pops right off. You can dump the water out and refill it with new fresh water if you like. And that's it, you're good to go. Just pop it back in when you're ready. It slides right into place very easily and automatically knows when there's new water. The system even has a self-cleaning function and a flash button, so you never have to worry about buildup or mold. No hidden tanks, no funky smells, no hassle. And with the LED display and the change filter indicator, it's very easy to maintain. It also has a sleep mode, saving up to 30% energy, so it's quiet at night but ready when you wake it up. Plus, it comes with a fast US-based support and a 1-year warranty, so if anything goes wrong, help is just a call away. It has the cooling, UV, you can start cooling, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Nice cold water. And you can stop it anytime by pressing any button. Wow, that's good water. It also has the function to change the volume. You can do 4, 8, 10, 17, or 999 reset filter. Sleep, flush, cooling. So once you pick your ounce, you just press start and it starts, and then you can stop it by pressing any button. So right now it's doing 4 ounces. It should fill about halfway. If you're ready for a clean, crisp, ice-cold water without any headaches, the Novete reverse osmosis water filter is the countertop system that you need. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And to replace the filters, simply this lid pops right off. The filter is right here. You just simply twist counterclockwise. See filter and the RO filter and the instructions on how to replace them. And then when you're finished, simply pop the lid back on. Fits very snug. Everything is very easy to just pop right back on. And it also comes with the very easy to read instruction guide. It also comes with a drainage hose as well. So when you're ready, just simply uncap that, plug in the drainage hose, and put it near your sink, and it will drain all the unnecessary water into your sink when you want to flush the system. Works great. Very, very easy to use.